You feel it before you can prove it. Your good morning text get one word replies, your plans get a maybe. She knows you are not going anywhere, so she stopped trying. You become furniture, always there, never thought about. And the cruelest part is you earn that spot by being good to her. Here's what nobody tells you. She didn't take you for granted because you did too little. She did it because you made losing you feel impossible. 4 moves reverse this. The fourth is the one she never sees coming. Move 1. Stop being the one who always reaches first. Look at your text. You initiate. You double text. You keep the thread alive single handedly. The second you stop, not as a game, just genuinely pulling your energy back into your own life, a gap opens where you used to be. And she feels it instantly. A man who's always available is easy to ignore. The man who suddenly has somewhere else to be is impossible to. You don't announce it. You just stop filling every silence and let the silence talk. And the next one is where most men chicken out. Move 2. Let her feel the absence she's been ignoring. She takes your presence for granted because she's never felt your absence. You have never given her the chance to miss you, so give it to her. Get busy, actually busy, with your own goals, your own people, your own life. Don't explain it. Don't make it a statement. Just become a little less reachable. The mistake men make is warning her first, which kills the whole effect. Real absence isn't announced, it's noticed. And the moment she notices the space where you used to be, she starts valuing what filled it. Move 3. Stop rewarding the behavior you don't want. Every time she gives you the bare minimum and you respond with maximum effort, you teach her that minimum gets your best. So she keeps paying minimum. Why would she do more? You priced yourself at nothing. Flip it. When she's distant, you go quiet too. Not cold, not punishing, just unbothered. Matching her energy instead of overcompensating. She learns your attention isn't a facet that runs no matter what. It responds to how she shows up, and suddenly she has a reason too. But the fourth move is the one that actually rewires how she sees you. Move 4. Build a life so full that her attention stops being the prize. This one changes everything because it isn't a tactic, it's a transformation she feels through the screen. When your whole mood depends on a response, she senses it, and it makes you smaller in her eyes. But when you genuinely pour yourself into your work, your body, your purpose, your friendships, when her reply stops being the highlight of your day because your day is already full, something shifts in how she reads you. You stop being the man waiting for her and become the man she's worried about losing. The moment you become the lead in your own life, she feels the gravity change and she starts orbiting you. And here is what you need to hear. Every time she pulled back and you tried harder to win her back, you taught her she could treat you like an option and still keep you. You weren't showing love. You were showing her your attention was free and unlimited no matter how she treated you. You didn't get taken for granted by accident. You trained her to do it, one over eager text at a time. So stop trying to make her appreciate you with more effort. More effort is exactly what broke it. Pull back into your own life. Let her feel the space. Match her energy instead of chasing it. Become so invested in your own world that her attention is no longer what your day revolves around. That's the moment she stops taking you for granted and starts wondering how she ever did. If you want the full breakdown, I made a free dating masterclass on how to make any woman genuinely obsessed with you. The whole psychology, start to finish. The link is in the description and it is completely free. It is the biggest free dating course on the entire internet. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing. I am dating ASAP, class dismissed.